it's Hannah again. I'm going to show you this time how to make a paper shirt. Not sure if I said that right, but because I'm on the college. Alright, start with a piece of paper. Slide it down. See, piece of paper. Have it long ways again. Hi, kitty. Now you're going to want to fold it down and line up this edge again, like so. Get it folded. Yeah, there we go. We're good. Could not get that. Here we go. So you have this. You fold it up to this edge right here. See that? Right there. You're gonna lick it. Fold it back. So now it's like that. Lick it. Now rip it. Sorry, young people. So there we go. So now you have it open. You want to fold it in half. So now it is. Okay, hard crease. Lick it. Okay, fold it backwards. Lick it. Rip it. Lick and rip. Lick and rip. Okay, now you have two rectangular pieces of paper. Gonna fold them in half. Yet again. Not folding in half action. Okay, fold this one in half. Again. This other one. So now you have them both folded in half. Open end. We're good. Okay, we don't need this one right now, so put it aside. Okay, now you're going to take this. You're going to take the open end. This is open. Fold this little corner up like so. There. So you got that. Okay, now you flip it upside down. There we go. Now you want to make sure that you have the opposite side. So fold that up like that. See how it's opposite? This one goes down, and this one, wait, no, I'm saying that wrong. This one goes this way. This one goes that way. This way. This way. Okay. Now do that to this side, to this piece of paper, too. Okay, but you want to do it. Okay, you're open end on this side now. So, fold that up. And then do the same up here, but opposite, 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 remember. So now you have two of them. You're going to want to put them down and match up the points. See, it looks like paper airplane almost. Yeah, okay. Okay, you want to take this one. You're going to take this part. You're going to fold it over. And how I tell is that it makes it kind of like a triangle. See, it looks like that. I just took this and I folded it up. Like that. Now I take this one, the top one, and do it the opposite way. Imagine that opposite way. Till you get a Z. Yeah, a Z. Okay, do the same with this one. fold it into a triangle, and then like that. So now you have a Z, two Z's. Alright, let's take one. You're gonna lay it down, smooth, pop, take the poppy side, see, it's different, pop, it pops up. This is the smooth side, it doesn't pop up. So place the poppy side on top of the smooth side of the other one. Okay? Alright. So now you want to take this one, this side right here, this side. You want to fold it up and put it into this flap right there. Into that flap. See how I did that? Right in there. This side is right in there. Okay, now you're going to want to fold this side. See what I'm doing right here? This side right here. And put it right in that flap. Okay. So now it'll look like that. Okay, now you're gonna flip it over. So now it looks like this. Okay, you're gonna do basically the same thing you did on the other side, just with this. Okay, you're gonna take this side, fold it up, and put it in there. Like so. Into there, right in there. Okay, so now you're going to take this side. You're going to fold it up. Now this part's kind of tricky. So what you're going to want to do is kind of take your thumb like that and pop this side open a little so you have room to get it. Kind of hold it open like that. Now take this side, right here, this side. Fold it up into that, just like that. And then, ta-da, you have a Shabudagon, or as you other people call, a Shuragon, or whatever you say. I say Shabudagon because it's awesome, or Ninja Star, or Ninja Throwing Star. So,